Hey guys, so part 4 of the energy bus, right? Invite the right people into your life. Remember, birds of a feather flock together. Don't waste energy on people that don't appreciate you. Disconnect, eject, right? Just get away from people that don't appreciate you, don't value you, and don't pour anything into you. So you are contagious. The energy you put into your team and culture determines the quality of it, right? The more energy and effort that you really, give to your team or to those that you love or people you care about, it makes a difference. You pour into somebody, they're going to be able to give back if they have a good mindset, if you're influencing them for good. Remember, you're contagious. You have to keep that strong mindset, keep that joy, keep that happiness, and help other people to find it. Stop riding the bus with people who keep slashing your tires, right? People that just want to bring you down and they're not willing to really change. I know it's hard because you want to be loyal and you love people and care about them, but the truth is, you have to remember to look out for yourself. If people don't want to grow and change, then they're going to be stuck. And most of the time, again, I'm going to say it, misery loves company. They're going to take you down with them. So you have to make a decision and a choice. Have you ever wanted to slash other people's tires? Think about that. I know I have. And I had to change because I was so bitter at times. I had to learn that, man, me being bitter only hurt me. It didn't hurt other people. It was like I was drinking the poison and waiting for the other person to die. And then my emotional state would get so strong and fixed on wanting to hurt somebody back for revenge or getting them back because they hurt me. But it doesn't ever work that way. Do you ever notice that when you get to that place, you just get into a really bad state of mind? Your energy is drained, you feel like crap, and it doesn't do you any good at all. It actually pushes you back. It doesn't push you forward. So remember, you're going to have to start changing and getting away from people that really are not for you, that are against you. So repetition is the key, and the more that you focus on positive energy, the more it becomes your natural state of mind, your natural state of emotions. So I love saying repetition, repetition, repetition is the mother skill of mastery. If you want to master positive energy, just start saying positive things to yourself. Affirmations are so key, right? So you say, I'm enough. I've always been enough. I'll always be enough. I'm a winner. I've always been a winner. I'll always be a winner. Those are important things to say. Another great affirmation is to say, I'm abundantly rich, healthy, happy, whole, fit, and complete, and I lack nothing. That's one of my favorite ones because it really sums up everything. You lack nothing, right? You're complete already. So it helps tremendously by having good affirmations to keep your mind in a good mindset. So a bad attitude is like a flat tire. You can't go anywhere until you change it. Remember, you have to change the state, get affirmations going, and I'm going to show you on the next slide, okay, that these are the levels of energy that were recorded. It started out with hertz, is the first one I've ever seen, at least that I've ever seen. But it's amazing that they put the EKGs on people's, their head, and then they had their emotional states. So people's emotional states of mind and frequency showed up of where the levels were. So look at shame is 20, guilt is 30, 50 is like apathy, grief is 75. And then you could read the little things on the right hand side. You could print this out. It's so cool to print and to really see it. Revenge is about 120, 150 watt is about anger, 200 is being like neutral, you're not really making a decision, and then it starts going up from there. 500 is love, joy is 540, peace is 600, 7 to 1,000 is enlightenment. This is when you become intimate with your creator, that you really trust and believe that there's a higher power than yourself that has designed you, created you, and made you incredible and amazing. There's a great verse that says, I knit you together in your mother's womb, and I formed you before the beginning of time. And I love you more than all the sands of the sea. So think about that. Just try to count the sands of the sea. You can't do it. It's so much to count, but that's how powerful it is that you're loved and valued. So let's go here, guys. The same old thinking gives you the same old results. We got to change our state of mind, our thinking. Let's go up and onward. Surround yourself with people who talk about visions and ideas, not other people, right? People like to gossip, get away from them. It's really about making decisions for yourself. Being positive won't guarantee you'll succeed, but being negative will guarantee you won't succeed. Very good. All right, and then also think about this. I don't care how smart you are. If you don't have a strong work ethic, you are slowing down your bus and the progress of your company. So you want to ask yourself these questions. Are you an energy giver or are you an energy vampire? Do you dim other people's energy or do you fill them up and give them energy? Surround yourself with people that reflect who you want to be and how you want to feel. Energies are contagious. Be the most positive person you know. How good is that, right? Like, you be the leader, you be the example, you be the one that people want to be around. Because good energy attracts. It's like a lighthouse, right? Like all the boats attract to the lighthouse. It's like a safe place, right? Because the light is there. They know where their direction is. Well, the same goes for you. If you have that positive energy, you be that positive person, people are going to always want to be around you. You're going to lift them up. You're going to inspire them, encourage them. And the most of all, you have to encourage is yourself. Don't forget about that. Whatever you decide to do in life, make sure it makes you happy. You have to create that happiness within yourself. You know, I love the saying, happiness is an inside job. So remind yourself to give yourself time, to give yourself reflection, to give yourself a pat on the back and tell yourself you're doing a good job. You know, we all need positive influence, but the most important person that you need it from is yourself. You know, God always gives it to us. God created us and tells us every day we're the apple of his eye. We lack nothing. We're complete in him. But we have to be complete in ourselves and know that we can. If you want to have more kindness in the world, put it there. I love these kind of sayings because it just helps us resonate, to remember to become these things, right? We cannot become what we want by remaining what we are. We have to grow and change. Feed yourself inspiration every day. Never again wake up with anything less than excitement to live the best day ever. If you don't like something, change it. If you can't change it, change your attitude and things will change. Believe. This is a big one, guys. You need faith. I expect great things to happen today. I trust in God's plan for my life. I accept all the love, the joy, the abundance, and success in my life. I accept all the people who want to work with me and that benefit from my gifts and talents. Every day I'm getting stronger, healthier, and better. Now, these are the affirmations that you can say that will absolutely, you should say it every day for 30 to 60 to 90 days. Leadership is not just what you do. It's about what you can inspire and empower others to do. I love that. I really believe a good leader will help empower other people because it's not all about you guys. It's about loving and caring about your team, being there for your team. Some days you just have to create your own sunshine. I love that because nobody else is gonna. It's all about making your own choices and decisions. There will always be something to complain about, but you have the choice. So hope. We always have to hold on to hope. This is a big one. A feeling or expectation and desire for a certain thing to happen. A feeling of trust. To look forward to with desire and reasonable confidence. Hope, right? To believe in something greater than ourselves. To believe that we can be and do the person that we want to be and the person that we want to be for other people as well, right? To be a solid rock, to be a firm foundation, to be able to be a good leader for people to lean on us. So today, let's attack this day with enthusiasm. Stay positive, be thankful, Learn, improve, and grow every day. Bring out the best in yourself and in others. 10 rules for the ride of your life. Hold on to these guys, print them out, keep them by your bedside, and remind yourself every day that you're in control. You're the driver of your own bus, number 1. Number 2, desire, vision, and focus. Move your life in the right direction. 3, fuel your life with positive energy. 4, choose wisely the right people to let into your life. 5, disconnect from anyone and anything that doesn't serve or value you. No energy vampires allowed in your life. Protect yourself. Like attracts like. Be a positive source of energy to those around you. 8, love your passengers. 9, love your passion and give your purpose. 10, enjoy the ride, guys. Just sit back and enjoy your life. We all have a purpose, the ultimate fuel for a meaningful journey. Find your purpose, guys. This is the whole point, right? The energy bus is going to give you a lot of influence so that you can go and grow and become a better you, the best version of you. I hope you enjoyed this, and I look forward to seeing you in the next book that we're going to share and talk about. Have a great day.